4-axis machining center. Full graphical human-machine interface. Full servo intelligent fixture. Automatic positioning according to machining program. Real-time connection with ERP. Scan to process, effectively improving production efficiency. High-quality moving parts for smoother and more stable machine operation. The spindle is rotatable, enabling processing of 3 sides with one loading. Tool lubrication system enhances cutting efficiency and effectively extends tool life. High rigidity bed, high power spindle. High speed machining, and smooth clean work surface. Optimized machining program for higher production efficiency. One scan can complete the processing of a whole profile. Lead Station Tool Magazine. Automatic tool change by program and automatic tool setting. Full enclosed machine body design ensures safe production. Safety light curtain enables the machine to respond quickly to unsafe behaviors. It can also be quickly released.